This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. If this video helps you, please subscribe to our channel. This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we have a Whirlpool front-load washing machine that has a code F08 E03. We're going to see if we can fix it. We have the door locked symbol on right now, and we're going to try a couple things. One is we'll just set it to normal, and we'll try the start button, see if anything happens. So we get a beep, same code. Let's try turning off the power. So the power goes off, but you still have the door lock light going. So the other thing we can try is to unplug it for about 10 minutes and plug it back in. Let's see if that's going to do anything. I'm just going to unplug it. Alright. So even though it's unplugged, the door lock light will keep going for a little longer, and now it just went out. It took about maybe 30 seconds. Let's see if there's any change. So the door's still locked. All right, we're going to plug it back in, see if anything's different. All right, so we have drain going. When we plugged it back in, the door lock light is still going, and the power light is not on. Let's see. It sounds like the door lock might have just let go. Let's take a look. All right, so maybe that reset it, just having it unplugged and plugging it back in. We'll take a try and post back here in a few minutes. So we open the door and the clothes are still wet, so we're gonna see if we can spin them out. So we'll power it on. I'm gonna go to spin on this model, which is easy. It's gonna give me a 14-minute cycle. Press start. And that should start draining and should start spinning. We'll see if that's gonna work. So if you get that code, don't panic. It just finished up the spin cycle and was able to spin the clothes out really well. First thing to try, if you get the code, is just to unplug it for about 10 minutes, plug it back in, and then start it back up and see if it's gonna work. If not, then just remove 2 screws from the back up here behind this top panel. Slide the top panel back away from you, lift it off, and then reach down right about here, all the way down behind this lock. There's going to be a little plastic tab that you just lift up on. That'll manually unlock the door, and that'll reset everything. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate you coming to our channel. Please subscribe when you get a chance by pressing the subscribe button and also the bell button so we can send you notifications of any new videos that come along. And we have a new thing here called the applaud button. If you really liked the video, if it was helpful to you, if you can click that, we really appreciate that. It shows your interest in our channel and your support, and can't thank you enough. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.